For this activity, you'll need some non-permanent felt tip pens, 2 different brands of black felt tip pen. We used Crayola and Beryl, also some kitchen roll, water and a container such as a lunchbox.
The first thing we're going to do is cut a piece of kitchen roll into strips. I cut mine in half and then cut each of those pieces into 4 strips. Now choose a felt tip pen and draw a line about 2 centimeters up from the bottom of the strip. Be careful to not tear the paper when you're drawing the line. Put a small amount of water in the bottom of a container like a lunchbox and then dip the very end of your paper strip into that water. Make sure that your coloured line doesn't go into the water. Now you can watch as the water travels up the kitchen roll and takes the ink with it. Once the water's travelled about halfway up your piece of paper, take it out and lay it on a tray. Leave it for about 5 minutes and then look to see what's happened to your ink. With my green pen, you can see that it's actually split into 2 colours. The blue ink within the pen has travelled faster and has formed a line at the top of the paper, and the green ink in the pen has travelled slower and has been left behind. The dark blue pen is even prettier. That's split up into a light blue ink that's travelled the fastest, a darker blue that's behind that, and at the very back there's a pinky purple colour. The ink in the pen is a mixture. The 3 different colours in the ink travel up the kitchen paper at different speeds. This is called chromatography, and scientists use chromatography all the time to split up mixtures so that they can analyse the different parts.
Now try some different coloured inks. Black is particularly interesting. You can see as the black ink travels up the kitchen paper, it splits into lots of different colours. Let's use chromatography to solve a mystery. The other day I went to eat some of my Easter chocolate, but when I opened the box I found the chocolate had gone. There was a note inside and the note said, "You'll never catch me." Now there's 2 people in my house that could have stolen the chocolate. There's my daughter Sally and my husband Martin, and they have 2 different pens. Let's find out which pen the note was written in. We're going to use chromatography. Let's dip the note into some water and see what happens when the water carries the ink up through the paper. Now we can work out who stole the chocolate. In the middle is our note, and on the left and the right are the strips of paper that we made ourselves by drawing lines. Which one does the note match? That's the person who stole the chocolate. Forensic scientists use chromatography a lot to analyse samples that they might find at a crime scene. Scientists in chemistry laboratories also use chromatography when they're designing new medicines. They use it to separate out mixtures that they've made and also to analyse them.